For those who dream of exploring the open road without sacrificing comfort, convenience, or style, the latest roam-ready camper van promises to elevate your adventure. Combining cutting-edge design with practicality, this camper van redefines the road trip experience. Featuring a deluxe interior, a space-saving elevator bed, and an abundance of clever storage solutions, this van is set to become the ideal home on wheels for road trip enthusiasts, digital nomads, and van life aficionados alike. At the heart of this camper van is its highly functional and space-efficient layout, designed to meet the needs of both solo travelers and small families. One of the standout features is the elevator bed, a unique and innovative addition that sets this camper apart from others in the market. With just the push of a button, the bed can be raised during the day, instantly freeing up space for other activities like cooking, lounging, or even working. In the evening, the bed lowers back down for a restful night's sleep, offering an elevated position that enhances ventilation and privacy. This dual functionality makes the van incredibly flexible. By day, it's a spacious living area, and by night, it transforms into a cozy, elevated sleeping space. The ability to raise the bed also means that the floor area is kept clear during the day, allowing for a comfortable, clutter-free environment. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a deluxe interior that exudes modern sophistication while maintaining the warmth and charm of a cozy home. The sleek cabinetry and premium finishes ensure that every inch of space is both functional and stylish. The van's kitchen area is fully equipped with a stove, sink, fridge, and ample counter space for preparing meals on the go. Whether you're making a quick snack or preparing a full meal, the kitchen is designed to offer all the essentials, without compromising on quality or aesthetics. One of the joys of van life is cooking in new places, and this van allows you to do so in style. Whether you're parked by a scenic lake or on the edge of a mountain trail, the kitchen provides everything you need to cook up a delicious meal, no matter where your adventures take you. Storage is a key consideration for anyone living on the road, and this camper van excels in that department. With plenty of cleverly designed compartments, including overhead cabinets, pull-out drawers, and hidden storage spaces, this van ensures that everything has its place. From clothes to camping gear to cooking utensils, there's a spot for all your belongings, so you never have to worry about clutter. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or a long-term road trip, you'll have plenty of room to store your essentials, allowing you to live out of your van without feeling cramped. The design doesn't just focus on maximizing storage, it also prioritizes organization. The thoughtful use of vertical and concealed spaces ensures that even smaller items can be easily accessed, while the layout maintains an airy, open feel. Aesthetics play an important role in creating a space where you'll feel comfortable and relaxed, and this camper van doesn't disappoint. The interior features a neutral color palette, complemented by natural materials like wood accents and brushed metal details. The clean lines and minimalist design help the space feel open and bright, while the combination of textures, smooth surfaces, soft fabrics, and rich woods adds warmth and personality to the interior. The layout is designed to feel as much like a home as possible, with areas dedicated to relaxation, cooking, and sleeping, making it perfect for long hours on the road or cozy nights spent parked at your favorite campsite. This camper van isn't just a pretty space, it's also equipped with all the modern tech you need to stay connected and powered up while on the move. Solar panels provide a reliable source of energy, allowing you to charge your devices, run lights, and power appliances even when you're off the grid. The van's electrical system is designed to support all your tech needs, from laptops to phones, ensuring that you can work remotely, stay in touch with loved ones, or simply enjoy entertainment during downtime. In addition to tech features, the camper also has ample space for outdoor gear, including compartments for bikes, hiking equipment, or camping gear. Whether you're into hiking, biking, or simply enjoying the great outdoors, this van can accommodate all your adventures. Whether you're considering full-time van life or simply seeking a luxurious camper for occasional road trips, this van offers the perfect blend of practicality and comfort. The elevator bed, sophisticated interior, and clever storage solutions ensure that living on the road doesn't mean compromising on quality of life. The van provides everything you need to feel right at home, no matter where the road takes you. For those who crave freedom, flexibility, and adventure, this camper van is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It offers the ultimate in convenience, style, and mobility, making it ideal for anyone ready to embrace a life on the road. If you're ready to embark on your next adventure, this roam-ready camper van could be the key to unlocking your dream of the open road.